So this is kind of an interesting little alley. Give you a little context before we go down it. I think it's called Beco de Colonos. I'll take a look. We'll see. It'll be written down below anyways, no matter what. And we're kind of in this kind of area. I can smell the strong smell of fish, stuff like that. There's coonho fish right there, and vegetables, all kinds of stuff. This guy's gonna come by right there real quick. So we're gonna try to go down that alley right there. So let's check it all out. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so that's gonna be our focus street. This is kind of the area that we're at. So that one guy is honking his horn, and now he's like really slow, just trying to get through that little alley. So I don't know why. I guess they don't want any pedestrians when they fly by real fast. Anyways, we're going to go down in this little alley here. It's kind of cool looking. Very cool looking. Beco dos Colonos. So yeah, that is the street. And it looks like there's a little alley in that way too. So it's like little rooftops up there. Yeah, the rooftop. You'd be kind of looking down in all this. So okay, let's take a look. So there's our target street. Looks like it goes down that way. So there's Beco dos Colonos. So it goes down that way, but it also goes down this way too. So you can also see the sign here. So we're going to see. Oh, there's even a balcony up there too. So cool. I wonder if those are walk-ups. Sometimes in this area there's a lot of like walk-up. Ooh. There's like, you can see into little apartments and stuff. Oh wow. That's cool. Okay. It's pretty cool. So it just kind of goes in that little alley in that little spot. It's like kind of a cool little area. It's so cool. So we're gonna go down this little alley right there. And I'm also just kind of taking in the coolness of this little Beco. So that's our target street right there. This is like a really cool little spot. I love these little corners of Macau like this. Can't recall that I've been in this particular space. That's to do put the flowers out in the side as well. Merry Christmas. Okay, so this one goes into Travessa do Botelho, which is another little spot that I don't think I filmed in this spot either. But that could be a different video. It's kind of a cool little space though. So yeah, that's kind of that little alley, and then it goes out into the other way as well. But we're gonna stay faithful to our street. A little Beco de Bamboo. It's all kinds of little streets I could do in this area. Somebody just threw something out of their window, it just hit the wall. This is kind of cool. These little things. I think I have been here before, and there's always a car that's blocking that. But it'd be so cool if you could actually see it. And you got this little space, Rua do Botelho. Another interesting spot. I think somebody threw something out of the window, so I don't want to have to make sure I go underneath a little bit. Oh, there's a car that's gonna. So that's our street, Beco dos Colonos. That car is just parked illegally there. Yeah, nobody's in there. And now we kind of came out over here. Let's see what this little alley is here. Beco de Balsa. So that's actually a separate alley. It also looks pretty interesting too. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just try to focus on the street and do a little ending for it as well. Up there, there's like a bowling alley. There's kind of skating rink, stuff like that. Camoish Park is right over there as well. But we're not going to target any of that. We basically just targeted this street right here, and we were going to try to go back towards that a little bit. Let's see if we can go. Okay, all kinds of cool stuff in here. So anyways, that was our target street. Something else a little bit interesting. And it was just basically that little bit of a mess in there. So we're just gonna repeat all the way through again. We got all these little side street stuff. So we're gonna head back in. Pretty cool though, even these like little windows like that. Very cool. Oh, there's even like a little chair, you can see that right there too. It's awesome. Okay, hope you like that one. I did. Pretty cool little spot. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.